Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but these are mini brands. They come in so many different kind of things, but this is the food one, and this comes with 2 surprise balls which have 5 items inside. So these items can be grocery carts, it can be food, it can be shelves. Each of them do come with a piece of paper that your child can take their item, look on the sheet, check off if they have it or not. These come from series 3. So there's surprises every time. You don't know what you're going to get as you're opening it. They do come with grocery carts as well. They come with shelves. It's always a surprise. I don't know if you guys have looked at these before, but the labels on them, they have handles, the little caps, the detail on these labels, they have all the information like nutrition facts and stuff. It is crazy cool how cute these are. They're so fun. I know personally my daughter will take them and use them to play with her other dolls. So it's something super fun for kids, and the fact that it's a surprise every time is pretty fun. That's just my point of view.